Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Michael's Mobile Detailing. Today I'm going to show you in 6 simple steps how to clean your car. Now, this can be in between details, or if you need to prep the car, you have a hot date, or you just want to keep your car spick and span. These 6 tips will get your car spotless in no time. Step 1, prepare your interior. Have a quick look at the car, remove any personal effects, umbrellas, travel mugs, car seats, anything that will impede you from cleaning the car, remove it. Put it in a bag, put it to the side. A clean workspace makes detailing much easier. Next, we need to remove loose dust and dirt, getting into all the nooks and crannies. If you have an air compressor and a vortex type tool, a tornador, that'll save you an immense amount of time. If you just have a detail brush, that will still work too. Step 3, vacuuming the interior. Work from top to bottom, starting with the seats, then moving to the carpets and mats. Make sure to get under the seats. Look for every one of those French fries, gum wrappers, all the stuff hiding under the seat. Step number 4, cleaning the upholstery and carpets. For cloth seats and carpets, spray a dedicated fabric cleaner onto the seats. A light mist will do, and use a brush. Agitate the seats a little bit, and then a microfiber towel. You'll be amazed how much stains and grime and grease can come out of a seat just using a simple spray bottle with a dedicated fabric cleaner, a brush, and a microfiber towel. If your car has leather seats, use a dedicated leather cleaner, a soft brush, and a microfiber towel. Make sure you get in all those nooks and crannies. Next, after you've got the seats and carpets done, I like to move to the hard surfaces, your dashboard, your doors, cup holders, and that. Start in the middle of the car, work your way out. Use a microfiber cloth with a couple sprays, paying close attention to the steering wheel, the knobs, any touch surfaces. You'll be surprised what a little bit of patience and elbow grease will get off your steering wheel. Step 6, windows and mirrors. You're almost there. For a crystal clear finish, spray a little window cleaner onto a microfiber towel and scrub those windows. Next is final touches. Have a quick look at your car and make sure you've got everything. And that's it. A fresh, clean interior. In just 6 steps, you've got a refreshed car that's fun to drive, respectable, and not embarrassing if you have passengers. It'll not only look great, but smell great. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. There'll be many more videos, tips, tricks, and shortcuts on how to get your cars clean. See you in the next one.